Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to create and write data from DataGridView to an Excel file in VisualBasic.net. Open your Visual Studio, then create a new Windows Forms application project. After you finish creating the new Windows Forms project, you need to open your Form Designer, and then drag the button and DataGridView controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your Form Designer. Next, right-click on your project, then add an ADO.NET Entity Data Model to your project. I will use the Northwind database to practice this tutorial. If you don't have the Northwind database, you can download it from FoxLearn website. Next, add a form load event handler to your form to allow you to retrieve data from the suppliers table, and then display the data into the DataGridView control. Right-click on your project, then select Manage Nugget Packages. Select the Browse tab, then search and install EPPlus library to your project. This is a great Excel library that helps you read and write data to Excel file. It's currently a single DLL and has no dependencies to any other library such as Microsoft Excel. After you finish installing the EPPlus, you need to add a configuration to the app config file allowing you to run the library under non-commercial license. You can use the Save File dialog class to open a Save File dialog allowing you to enter the file name. And don't forget to use try catch to catch errors if something goes wrong. We will use the Excel package class to write data from data table to Excel file. You will need to create an Excel worksheet, then write your data to the worksheet. Finally, you need to cast data from the DataGridView to the supplier collection type, and then write your data to an Excel file. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.